Me say I get some. Me say when I go over there, I got England, you know, me over in England. When me reach at the train station, because I say me fly, you know, me fly, yes, me fly, like a eagle go over there. You know, say, the girl named Michelle Bennett. No, Michelle LADONNA. Her name is Michelle Bennett. But you know what make the girl go on so. The girl have one daughter. We're working at the criminology investigation team in a Paddington. So, and that's why she a go on so. Michelle, you think me afraid of your police daughter? Me I go come for you because guess what? You see the video where you do about urine, and let me tell you something. You know, ramp with my brother and butter, you know, because people don't know, say me not to have it, you know. So every month Ashanti send me one little thing, and you know, say Michelle not top report Ashanti live, you know. So Michelle, I can tell you something. You see, once you ramp with my brother and butter, you make me tell you something. I not ramp with you. Michelle, the people them you are say don't not chat too much, but Michelle, the people they say you chat. Me I go send the video where you do about urine. No sir, they could have turned me back because me tell them say me going over there. And as you know, yes, I go right over into England. I said, but the people them said the girl I go to Middlesex University. Right over there she do internship at one hospital. Me not ready to put out that. But Michelle, don't feel no way. You live in a Enfield and North London. Come back out here upon urine. Come back out here, you girl Michelle Bennett. You come back out here. Because you think so we never know nothing about you on social media. You out here run wild. Everything going go out with you. The intern at the hospital, and me I go send the video. Me I go tap over Middlesex and show them the video and show them say this is why you just a chat. Then I'll chat to you about the chatting. Same way the girl, me say people. Same way the girl go along on social media. Same way the girl go along at university and look at hospital. When go now do the internship. Same way, and only we one out here in the metaverse have problem with it. We have problem with it too. So, oh no, that's why you can't learn at school. And that's why you're out here going like your mama King Kong because you're a daughter, we are police. We are working at Paddington in the criminal investigation team. Michelle, don't play with me. Because me say me got to know who you be. And don't be surprised if you see me touch you on your shoulder. Because they say you might not know. Because they say you might feel like you're smart. And nobody on social media don't know nothing about you. Your name is Michelle Bennett. Michelle Bennett your name. You're going to the Middlesex University. All you come out of that. So the video and we're going to reach to them. That's the people them are going to know what make them a fund you. And you can't pass because they chat to you about the chatting already. Because you're out here. I try to tear down urine. You go take down Ashanti page. But I take down for take down because we are going to take down. I take down for take down. You want to talk about people and you don't want nobody to talk about you. You say you come from the bad wagon. But anyway, what a way nasty Lorraine drop asleep on live last night. Uno no see LADONNA barking at Lorraine is very boring last night. Lorraine drop asleep on urine and Donna name. Lorraine, what say? The Bible said there's no rest for the wicked. Why uno can't sleep at night time? Why uno have me say Lord? Me say me tell you no, me say me no know. Look how Donna make them people here stay. But the girl now learn at school. Me say Middlesex University talk to her about the chatting. So that's why me I go send over the video and the things that we share do past social media. Me busy a screen record the part of you. Nobody delete the live them, Michelle. Michelle not delete the live them because they say them a reach over Middlesex University. You never know, me coulda come to England. Me tell you the same time you no play with me, you know. I wanna see me want to get to Honey, you know. Don't be surprised if you see me at your door at the council house in a North London, in a Enfield, right there you live. Right there, because you feel like you have one daughter police, you can come on social media, come play a role like your mama King Kong. I don't afraid of police. Because I say from me born till now, me know police. Once a Babylon, twice a civilian. And what the hell the police can do? Jailhouse never make for dog and then can no police can lock me up because I never come out here with your daughter name. Your daughter is a police and that's a public servant. Since you can talk about the 18-year-old university student, I suppose you can talk about your daughter to become a sure note she is not 18. So when you come over here and I come and go on, yes, boy, your daughter working in a government, the girl is one look up beside the police girl because they say that I don't like mix with people sexuality. You never know. Michelle Bennett, your name, what you think? So nobody now go find you as Michelle LADONNA. Michelle Bennett, na Middlesex University and the hospital where you do internship. We gonna find you. And don't be surprised if you open your door and see me standing there because they said the council house into the field. Well, me, but you know when you come into Keros, I want to meet you. I want to meet you with open arm with me hammer. Me case and come for me now. Please, mama, me anxious. Do come over here. Do Tina come. Just come, man. Come. Anybody Aboriginal just anybody can buy. Come Tina, come. Me want to catch you. No, the lady. No, I'm going to call it lady. The serpent of a woman. I don't even remember what name, but I don't have a problem with you saying that you're going to investigate. But lady, why you go? Tell me now. Look on the right. Look, lady, you have to tell me, say, me know food sweet. Me know food sweet. Then lady, what make you have 20 dirty woman we got the school at the University of Canada? Why you take 25 years? 3 times she take on the page and we put it up back. 3 times. Because they say she and the one we can take down page a friend now, you know. She and the plastic one a big friend now, you know. So the plastic one come out a different area. Him know how to take down page. So as she and him tell her to take down the page, but we have put it up back. If you take it down 10 times, we have put it up 11. But anyway, back to the nasty serpent of a woman we go at the little boy university now. Lady Drancro. Tell me something. Why you take 25 years to brush your teeth? The woman teeth, then woman. No one know the who don't know your rain say. In now what you know. You can't stop your rain blessing. Then the Miss Curly, she Curly. What a way you shame that you have to go on platform. So Curly, me have a few questions for you because me have to call them, you know. Me have a few questions. You know worry, everything in the making with them. Everything in the making with them. No worry. And everything have to come out. You know we'll see it. I don't like to, you know, like to give you no surprise. What a way you have to run go over the shame platform. And make me ask you something. How comes you can see and know so much? And lucky thing said Dana never have her Bible, you know, Curly. Because if Dana did have him Bible, I can imagine if Dana would have take it, just take it 2 back, take turn on the Bible at the back and just take it up, whap you in the yeah, and whap you in the other one, you know. Then if you notice too much things that go on a mountain of you, where you gone around the far, till them have to put your meat you out of the lane, near to the main road, that car should have lick your backside and lick out whatsoever in your eye and gut, you know. Because you know wicked, you know. When up hurt, You gone over there, so I'm glad you confess and say for your picnic secret come out. You know, no time for go look about your picnic, but you just have one enough for your platform and run and talk about Dana. Dana. All because Dana no want no friendship with you. But Curly, to be frank, you know, when you come and look at it, you know, you and Dana doing a no class, you know. Yes, Dana back broad. I'm glad it broad because when serpent like you and the drunk crew go on it, you know, it's still standing. I'm glad it broad. Thank God for that. Yes. But look pan now, you tell me no. You and him no in no class, you know, because baddest thing maybe, you know, we can see if she don't pregnant, you know, in belly flat. With 3 bikini, yes, in fat, but in belly flat. But Curly, no, take it truth and look funny. Take it turn around. You live a big foreign and you worry about Nana clothes. No, to be honest, me know you're nasty, right? But God, you say, no, have a little heart. She look better than you, man. She look better than you because we can't see that she got pregnant. But you, Curly, you look like a breeding cow turn up on 2 back foot. And Curly, remember say, you know, when Dana talk, you know, me know him lick the table sometime, bam, like he in a house of parliament with him big and then yes, when he want draw attention, yes. We all know that when he head chipping lick the table, bam, like him in a house of parliament and a give speech. But Curly, at least when Dana look, me know where Dana look, you know, me know where them a look east, west, north, and south. Curly, which direction you looking? Me can't say. And when you check a stack, you know, see as bad as thing maybe. We don't cast down judgment on the woman. Whenever time you know, see all the pastor war her for help. When the church reject you, who no see pastor, the self-called pastor. No, I could tap ball out for Dana donation and then never refuse Dana donation yet. Nowadays you see him pay 1 point when the little girl did one all. You see the university take the money. Everywhere Dana go when they give Dana. You ever see Dana bless nobody and then not take it? And a serious note now, Curly. When you're going to come out to Dana, me know you're nasty good. But no, just think about it, no man. If the woman place did so bad, and if the woman, why you go back for a revisit? Who did send call you? Who did send call you? We never send call you there. Because they said you will know we not no girls at 99, you know we are buckle and stone. I'm sorry they never lick in your backside, you know. Me don't know why Dana go out to the lady, you know. Me don't know why Dana get up and walk out to the lady, you know. Dana, you couldn't find something better for you. Why you go back there far? A long time you know you never like her and you grudge her. When you worry about Dana clothes, them make her bring them a she buy them a fair clothes them. You're not supposed to talk about Dana. No one, Curly, you're not in a class here talk about Dana, Curly. You're not supposed to do it. And that's for the big shame over there. We get up every night and feel like thinking you Dana name and make content. Dana don't even know you. She will not acknowledge you. She will not. Because I'll know me I try one day if you're a boy, girl, or you're a girl, boy, but me here Curly, I dress you as girl, you know, because I'll know me don't know where you be, you know. Me don't know where that creature they be, you know. I'll know me don't know where you be, you know. Me know it's a Curly because Curly, I'll know me I try wonder if one baby you have, where do you got? Curly, you're not going to find out where do you got, Curly. And Curly go fix your eye because Curly me know can't say and that no can't say, you know, me just your eye. Curly, you know you're confused like your eye because Curly, when me I look, me don't know if Curly I look at east, west, north, south or north, east. Where you come out no Lord Jesus. Curly, why you not gonna look where you're picking it there? Me know you can't find the jail them, you know, but me can't check Ashanti for you. Because you me no live over big forest. Where me am sitting in another county. Me no know, just say you did a call up over there. Curly, you find your bikini yet? Curly, you really lose your one picnic, your one bikini in the jail, you really fight that. Curly, why you don't love your bikini? Curly, why you give free? Why you have the little boy, you make the little boy Curly? Me know you not understand everything, you know, but not because the Bible says suffer the little children to come unto me. Good God, you make the picnic suffer, then you make the man suffer too. No man, Curly, come here, that wicked backside. Auntie Nachin, me no know you go sell no cake, you know. Because they say as soon as the cake sees the bud at me, I watch over the shop, and as soon as me say then I start inspect, you know. Me not call for your name again, you know. Me I wait till after the cake is, and if you know ever when cake season, you know, any one of uno, if you know want me I uno turn good because me good with uno, you know. If you don't want me I uno have problem. When cake season, I say nothing for Tina coming on me phone, making turn right over there. Coming now, El Tina said no cake this year. He have to go look home care work. I mean, I know what am I going to do. Because I say one of the foot bigger than one, you know, thank you. I mean, no. Because the time him bend down, he might go turn over. And in my mouth not turn right already, you know. In my mouth not turn right already, so I would not advise you to bend down that you turn over and kin over. Pan the neck, my member say, you know, the whole of your plastic. I mean, I want them steal you up, you know, because me want you when you come and kill us, so me beat you, make them steal you up, so me I beg you know. Until further notice take you. I don't know no wicked to Tina. Tina, come here. Tina, you know, say people they don't like you. Tina, you really, Tina, no in a zell, Tina. Tina, no in a zell, Tina, me no in a zell. Nobody no zell you. Tina, nobody zell you. They only cash up you. $40, Tina. $40, Lord Jesus. Me don't know why I'm not wicked to Tina, so you're not Tina. But I know wicked the people there, wicked and nasty, they see through you, and God I beat you.